Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to rename your mail accounts in your iPhone mail application. Because sometimes we have multiple mail accounts logged in your mail application. And whenever we open a mail application or a mail app in iPhone, that time we see all the mail IDs, long mail IDs. And whenever we open a mail application on iPhone, that time we get to see all the long mail IDs listed there. And sometimes it looks very messy. So as you can see on the screen, as I rename my all the mail IDs or mail accounts, and looks very simple and yet professional here. So now how to do this, let's see in this video. Okay, so let's start the video here. So for this, first of all, do one thing, go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and open the mail option or a mail account. Open the mail application here, open the mail app. Once you do that, go to accounts here. Tap on the accounts and here you'll see all your mail IDs listed here. So go ahead and tap on any mail ID which you want to rename here. Okay, open that, and here now if you see account, okay, just go ahead and tap on account as well. And now if you see in the description, you can type anything. So in description, whatever name you put, it will be appearing in a iPhone mail application. So just go ahead and just add the name or add the name as per your choice, and it will be reflecting in the mail application as a mail ID or a mail ID account name. So like this you can try for all the accounts or all the mail IDs which are added there in your mail application. So I hope you got this trick. I hope it was a helpful video for you, and if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.